Hello everyone. Today I have to replace one of the traction tires on my GS-4. So the first step is going to be to sweep the floor. We're going to work with small parts today. So if you lose something on the floor, you will be thankful that the floor is clean. So this is my replacement part. You can get this directly from Kato USA. I got it from Plaza Japan. I was ordering some stuff from them, so I just added that to my order. So you can see the traction tire is a little small compared to the driver here. I'm going to pull this guy out of the box. It's a nice box. I really like it. I only use this engine on special days. I don't run it every day. I use it for holidays and special days. I actually built my layout so that I could run this. This is how I remove it from the box. I take my time. I really like this box and I kept it. So number 4 driver here has number 3 driver. So number 3 driver here has the busted traction tire. So I'm not going to remove the driver from the engine. I'm just going to remove the main rod here. I don't have an engine cradle, but you can use the bubble wrap from the box. So I just get very gently under the main rod and I will just pry under it very gently until the pin comes loose. So take your time with this. When the pin comes loose, make sure it doesn't fly off. On my case, it stayed in the connecting rod, so I'm going to leave it there. That's going to help me in the future. So now I can bring in my traction tire and try to fit it around. That's going to be a little bit hairy, so I'll do it off camera. It took a little while to get it in. What made it hard to do is I had to squeeze it by the brake detail here. Now my pin is still not punched in yet, so I'm gonna punch it in. That takes a little bit of care, but once you got it lined up, you will feel it. And then I just push it in with my nail, and that will be good enough. Here we go. So that looks pretty good actually. I think it's gonna work well, but the only way to know for sure is to go try it on the track. And now it's time to run some trains. To be fair, it was running okay without the traction tire, but I don't want okay, I want perfect. So I'm running it at low speed just to be 100% sure nothing's interfering. So that looks really good so far. Well, I've had it running for a good 10 minutes now at track speed, and it's looking good, real good. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly had fun making it for you. See you soon.